Have you tried different niches but seen no success as a creator? Finding your niche on YouTube can be a challenging yet rewarding process. Discovering and defining your niche is integral to building your brand and creating content that resonates with a specific audience. Here are some steps to help you find your niche on YouTube. Identify your interests and passions. What are you passionate about? What do you have expertise in? What do you enjoy talking about? These questions can help guide your content creation process. Research existing content. Identify the gap in the content you are passionate about. Explore various YouTube channels to see what content is already available and what unique perspective you can bring. Understand your target audience. Knowing who your potential viewers are and what they're interested in is key. Use tools like YouTube Analytics to gain insights into viewer demographics, interests, and behaviors. Test your ideas. Before you commit to a particular niche, test out a few video ideas to see how they resonate with your audience. Measure engagement and feedback to understand what works best. Evaluate and refine. As you produce more content, keep evaluating its performance and refining your strategy based on feedback and analytics. Remember, finding your niche is a journey, not a destination. Your niche might evolve as you grow and learn more about your audience and your own interests. Stay flexible, authentic, and consistent, and you'll find a niche that suits you and resonates with your audience.